Damn, you made the A-list?
Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Joe with Craftenders. Today we are live at A-List Photography Studios with my boy Mel. We're going to show you guys how to build a daiquiri with Don Q today. Let's get into it. All right, we're going to start with 3/4 ounces of our lime juice. That is fresh squeezed. 3/4 ounces of our daisy syrup. And guys, what daisy syrup is, just a simple combination of Cointreau and simple syrup. And then we're going to do 2 ounces of our Don Q rum. We're going to shake and strain that. Gonna finish that off with a double strain into the glass. Gonna finish that off with a nice little lime there, and do a little cocktail flour. And there is your daiquiri. Enjoy, guys.